I'm going to take the air cleaner off. The housing has to come out as well. So we got a couple snap clamps here, and we've got our clamp over here. And undo this connector right here. Clean that out of the way. Right in, rolls backward.
Oh, I get you.
Alright, let's pull out the air cleaner out. Housing is just held into the rubber grommets here.
Just be able to pull it right up and out.
Yeah.
So taking off the splash guard in the front, we've got to get at the petcock. The petcock on this vehicle is facing the front of the vehicle, and to get this out of your face, it's going to be easier to get at the petcock to drain it and get out the other plugs we need to get out, right, Steve?
Yeah.
Let's put the petcock facing the wrong way, put a bunch of cheap freaking rivets in it, and call it a day. That's Chrysler for you. And we don't sell auto parts like some of the other guys on YouTube. We're just having fun and showing you how to fix shit. Right, Steve? So we can say whatever the hell we want.
And this is what we call having fun.
Yeah, this is what we call having fun the Jeep way. So we got two more plastic rivets on the other side. There's one on this end, and then there's one down the other end as well.
Yeah, and if they don't come out, just cut them and replace them. See, this one more on thread. Let's try the other one. I'm trying to hope that they unthread a little bit so you can get underneath them. And if you can't, like this one, just spin it in there. We're just gonna cut them.
Okay.
So we're gonna loosen the petcock here. Got a long pair of pliers, see if I can twist this thing open. Can't really get your hands in here. It's a tough squeeze here. Boy, I don't want to move very easily, I'll tell you that.
No?
Nope. Let me get another. Yeah, I gotta get some. There she goes.
There you go.
We're gonna take the radiator cap off very slowly. And now the coolant's gonna drain faster. Hose clamp tool, we're gonna put it on. Squeeze it down. Goes off. Take both of them off now. Get the hose off. Yeah, we're gonna have to just drain a little more so we don't make a mess. Alright, we're gonna see if we can get this hose back a little bit more without making a mess.
So we just took a piece of sandpaper and cleaned up the surface where the new hose is gonna go. It was a little pitted, and if that's the case with your Jeep, you're gonna want to sand it out too, so to help prevent the leak.
As long as it feels smooth, it'll be fine. And it feels smooth. Okay. Alright. Okay, it's centered. You want to keep it about 5/16 off the edge of the hose. We're going to tighten it there. And the only reason I flipped it over is because when you're changing the oil filter, I don't want it to get in the way.
So Jeep has 130,000 miles on it. You know, those hoses are kind of old. They were still in pretty good shape, but we're already in here, so I figured I'd just get new ones. Hate to have to come back in here again, right, Steve?
Yeah, well, you hate to have it break down.
Yeah, that
Okay,
too.
all right. We're gonna slip our hose clamp on with our lower radiator hose right now so that this is all done. Now I can run this clamp around like this so that it's flat and I can actually get it if I need to. With my little 5/16 quarter drive ratchet to snug it down. That one on. Okay, slip this one on. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes after you put these clamps on, you know, a week later, you should probably just put a wrench on them again. The hose will squish down a little bit. Just have the 3 rubber grommets that you gotta just find your way to line up. Okay, those are all lined up. And we got the air filter that Tony's gonna buy a new one.
It's perfectly fine.
Just blow it out, right? Yeah.
It's like a t-shirt. You wear it inside out and it's clean again. Or is that a pair of underwear?
Stop scaring me here, people. Yeah.
Hey, I've had people asking on the channel, why don't we swear?
Why do we?
Why don't we? I usually edit all that out. We'll have to have a behind the scenes clip.
Yeah.
There you go, I heard it.
Yeah. Clean the housing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's back on tape. Got our electrical connector here. Plug it in, slide the lock down. Okay, it's tight. Tony bought 50/50 antifreeze premix. And we just had a conversation about buying a gallon of concentrate, and it's about $3 more a gallon, and then you just mix it yourself, and it saves you some money. But money's no object, I'm hearing over here.
Yeah, right.
Alright, so we're gonna fill this up. There is no, you know, bleed valve on the top of this by the thermostat housing on this model.
So putting the front splash guard back on.
Kind of line these holes up that pain.
Yeah, and on the back there's 2 tabs.
There's one.
There's one over here.
Okay.
Alright, so putting all the push back pins back into the front splash shield, and was there about 6 of them?
There's 4 in the front.
4 in the front.
Yeah, and then there's 2 on the back
The
side.
2 we showed you on the back side.
And they're
So
real fat.
yeah.
Yeah, we get these are locking on, so we're good. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. We only had 3 original ones that we could save. It's tighter than it was, I'll tell you that. So.
Okay, so we just filled the system up with antifreeze, pressure tested it. I'm letting it run. There's nothing leaking under the Jeep. So that's it, guys. Another repair done. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment or reply back.